Hi guys, I am back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Q&A. I still don't have I don't know, I'm just on the floor. I don't have a proper filming designated area in this place. This pimple right here is irritating me. Ouch. But anyway, I asked you guys on my IG, my Insta, to ask me some questions, and I already figured it was going to be a lot of boyfriend questions. So let's get right into it. All right, I have my laptop, and I just sent the screenshots to my laptop because I was like, oh snap, I film on my phone, so how the heck am I gonna read the questions off? But I was like, oh, laptop. Anyway, close. All right, first question, do you live with your boyfriend? I do not live with my boyfriend. I live by myself, on my own. Does my boyfriend come over a lot? Yes. But I do not live with him. How does it feel living on your own? Congratulations, by the way. Thank you so much. It feels exactly what I expected it to feel. Very freeing. I don't know, I can do whatever, I don't know. It's just very freeing to me. Very quiet in here, super quiet, which is a good thing because that means the people that live around me aren't super loud and annoying. But yeah, it's just very quiet, and I had to get used to that just a little bit, and just waking up by myself, coming out to the kitchen just by myself, you know what I mean? Crazy, but yeah, super freeing, I would say. Next question is, why did I move out? Because I wanted to. There's no reason. I don't know. I've been wanting to move out for a year and a half now. But my parents were already moving, and I was like, I really don't want to move with them to this new place because first of all, it's 30 minutes away from me, and I wasn't trying to drive there and back to work. That would have been a lot of gas. So I was like, okay, let's do it. Let's finally do it. You know what I mean? I don't know. There's no reason why I moved out. It was just, it just felt right, I'll say. Oh my gosh, I got this question a billion, cajillion, jajillion, babillion times. How did me and my boyfriend meet? We met at work. We were co-workers to lovers. Best trope ever. No, but yeah, we met at work. I was a new employee. I was the new employee there. And he seen me my second day because he was off for my first day. But he seen me my second day. And this is what he said. He said that he seen me and was like, whoa, who is this? Who is this lady? That's what he says, okay? Yeah, we just met at work. So, co-workers. I feel you either meet your whoever at work, school, but I feel it's or if you're at a bar, doing some dating app or something like that. But I feel it's most common to meet at work. But yeah, we were co-workers, now we're lovers. Best thing that I've learned through the years: save money. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been saving money since I started making money, and I don't know, whenever I started my YouTube channel, that's when I started making money. But I've always saved my money, always. And when I tell you saving money, oh my gosh, you can I don't even be putting a bunch into my savings. I don't be putting all my money into my savings. I probably put about if I can, about $700 to $800 in savings, either every time I get a check or something like that, or sometimes I don't even put money into my savings every single check. But saving money, oh my gosh, saving money has saved me so many times. It's just, I just always like the feeling of knowing that I have some money, even if I have $0 in my checking. I still got money in my savings, you know what I mean? But I just highly suggest to just save money, save. Learning how to save money at a young age, I'm so glad that I started at a young age. Like, I'm so glad, because now I know how to save money. So yeah, go me. Any plans for college, or are you already in college? By the way, I love you too, girly. You're so cute. Anyway, so I'm supposed to be going to dental assistant school, whatever, but the program that I like chose, whatever, like the school, we need more people. So I think we need one more person, then we're set to go. She texted me, like the instructor or the teacher or whatever, she texted me and she was like, yeah, I think, you know, one person is gonna confirm, is gonna commit, and we're good. So yeah, and it's not like in my control. I can't, you know, it's not in my control. So I'm just waiting for that, basically. But I know that's what I want to do, though. I don't want to change it or anything like that. So yeah. Somebody said, any plans for a baby? Child, and no. And not for a very, very, very long time. I am good on that. I'm good. Do you wish you did anything differently now that you're an adult now? Why is that so hard to say? Like A-N and then adult. Okay, anything differently, I do kind of, just like not that much. It's like a teeny tiny bit. Just wish that I, you know, started school right as soon as I got out of high school, just so I could have got that over with. But then again, there's a side of me that's like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I didn't, because I didn't know what the heck I wanted to do. I didn't know anything, and I feel like I was not ready, like, at all, you know? So that's probably it. Yeah, that's probably it. That, and also like getting like a regular job sooner than I did, because, you know, I had YouTube. You know, YouTube is really good, but you know, just so I can have those like social skills. But I have them now. I'm good now. But just so I could have those social skills and stuff earlier. How do I moisturize my locks? I literally just use rose water and some oil. That's it. I get I think it's African Pride. I'm not sure. They have like a mixture of oil that I get from Walmart. I kind of want to stop using that though, because I just don't like the way that one smells. So whenever that runs out, I'm gonna try a new oil. But yeah, just oil, water, and rose water. That's it. And I just, you know, pretty much leave them alone. So what genre do you think Paramore's new album will be? Well, they kind of already hinted that it's gonna be like their first album, All We Know Is Falling. Ouch. All We Know Is Falling. They kind of already hinted that. So hopefully, I'm thinking it's gonna be a mixture of All We Know Is Falling and Riot. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm thinking. I hope so. I loved After Laughter. I love that sound on After Laughter, but man, the first album, that's my favorite album in the whole entire world. So I hope they kind of go back to that sound and or the Riot sound, you know? So, favorite anime, bro. For like years, like literally years, people just assumed I'm an anime fan, that I watch anime. I've never seen a single anime in my life. I don't watch anime. I don't care for anime. Literally, I've been getting this question asked for years. Like, do you watch anime? What's your favorite anime? I don't watch anime. Sorry, I don't know. I never tried to watch it, so I couldn't even say if I like it or not. But yeah, so I don't watch anime. Do I get homesick sometimes? Not really. I actually go to my parents' house quite often. I try to go at least like twice a week. Like tomorrow, I'm sleeping over. So I don't know. I try to go often because I don't want to be like, I don't want to be that child that just move out on their own and just don't, you know, visit like at all. I can't do that, first of all. And plus, they only live 30 minutes away. It's right there. So plus, I got to see my bestie. So my sister. So sisters. And plus, I got to see my baby Chanel. But yeah, no, I don't get homesick, but because I go there quite often. So what's my favorite thing about living alone? I would have to say just the quietness. Like, it's like, I'm gonna just shut up right now. Don't hear anything because nobody's here but me. And I like how I have this whole space to decorate. I like that. I don't know, it's just freedom. That's it. Okay. But it'd be a lot of loud cars. There's a lot of the annoying loud cars up in here. So I'll be hearing that sometimes. But other than that, like, it's so freaking quiet. And like I said, I can decorate however I want to. I don't know, man. Like, everything is mine in here. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to share food with anybody or like share anything. I don't know. But yeah, it's just so quiet here. That's what I love. I love it. I also need to do a, do y'all want to see a, what's it called? Like a furnished apartment tour? Cause I did an apartment tour, but it wasn't like furnished. So I didn't like see everything. Yeah, I hung up a few posters and everything like that. I think I'll do that. Yeah, because I'm pretty much done. Like, I'm not gonna, like, I might add stuff like months and months later, but like, I don't want to have y'all wait months and months for a furnished apartment tour. Because honestly, I'm kind of set with this, and furniture and crap costs too much. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see this question. Somebody literally asked me, are you gonna do a full apartment tour when it's all done? I swear I didn't see your question, but yeah, I am. And it's gonna be really soon too. Will your boyfriend start being in your videos often? Who knows? Who knows? Alright, somebody also asked me, why did I hide my, wait. I don't see it on here, but they were like, why did I hide my boyfriend for so long from like the internet or something? I wasn't hiding him, first of all. Okay, first of all, nobody was hiding anybody. Like, what? What am I hiding him from? Nothing, I'm not hiding. Like, I don't understand that. I just didn't post them. I don't post a lot of things anymore because I realized that everything just don't need to be posted. But yeah, I didn't hide. I wasn't hiding. Would I get married one day? I mean, I hope. I mean, I don't really know if it's like, yeah, I will get married one day. I hope I do. You never really know, but I really hope so. How did you know your boyfriend was the one and that you were in love? Okay, so first of all, okay, truck, go by please. Or whatever that loud thing is. But I seen a TikTok or something like that. I don't know, something like that. And they were like, you know, don't worry. Because, okay, let me rephrase that. So a lot of people, like when they meet someone and they don't feel butterflies or get like nervous around them and stuff, they're concerned. Because, you know, when you really love somebody, really like somebody, you're supposed to have, you know, all these butterflies in your stomach, basically your stomach turning, you're supposed to be super nervous or whatever. And somebody made a TikTok about that and was like, it's actually the opposite, babe. And yeah, when I met him, like, no butterflies, literally no nothing. And we clicked so freaking fast. It was actually kind of scary how we clicked so fast. Like, I've never clicked with anybody like that before. Like, insane. Like, I can talk about this for freaking hours. Insane. But yeah, we just clicked so freaking fast. And I really love talking and hanging out with him, like spending hours and hours talking to him, hours and hours hanging out every day. I don't know. I don't know. I really love him. That's it. That's my baby. All right, well, we ended that one off with a bang, I guess. I'm really hungry. I just got off of work, like literally just got off work, and I came home. Well, I picked up my glasses first, but I came home and filmed this video. I'm really hungry and I'm really tired, y'all. I wanna go to sleep. I wanna play Animal Crossing. Oh my gosh, I love Animal Crossing again. But thank you guys so much for sending in these questions, and also thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to, you can, you know, leave video ideas for me, because honestly, I'm starting to like run out low key. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Oh, no. See, that's what I used to say in like, what, 2020? Like a couple years ago. I switched it because I was like, toodles is too baby. So, bye. I need a new one. But peace. Adios. Catch you later. I don't know, y'all.